guys, I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect soft-boiled egg or hard-boiled egg, depending on what your preference is. I've got some eggs here from Aldi. These ones are grain-fed, I believe. Yeah, vegetable-fed. I always want to get pasture-raised eggs. Those are the best eggs that you can get. Free range or organic are oftentimes grain-fed. The more grains in your body, the more inflammation. So pasture is always best, just remember that. So I'm gonna unlock this and show you. I've got my eggs sitting in here. I poured in, probably about 2 cups of water. I'm gonna put my lid back on and lock it. The brand to this Instapot is Power Cooker. I wanna make sure that my vent is closed. It looks wet up here because I just wiped all the dust off of it. And super simple. So now all I'm gonna do is pressure adjust to 70 pounds. And then on this machine, I have to hit my rice button. And this is for the number of minutes. So I'm gonna do 4 minutes. I normally only do 2 or 3 minutes. My pasture raised eggs, I don't know why it's different, but I get the perfect soft boiled egg at 2 minutes with the pasture raised egg, and then from a free range egg, if I purchase from the store, I normally get the perfect soft boiled, almost hard boiled egg at 4 minutes. So we're gonna let this cook and then back to show you the results. All right guys, the timer just went off, so I'm gonna go ahead and release it. Let all the steam out. All right, and then all I do is unlock it, just turn it to the left and lift the lid, and there they are. All right, I had to go and get my ice bath, so I'm just gonna carefully grab the eggs with my tongs here, my rubber tongs, and set them in the ice bath very carefully. So simple. Our whole family loves hard-boiled eggs, but it was never that fun making them the traditional way because you just never knew how they were going to turn out. And since cooking them in this Instapot, I just know how they're going to turn out every single time, which is perfect. Not overcooked, still soft in the center, and just really delicious. So we're gonna let those sit for about 5 minutes, and then I will crack them open for you, or crack one open for you, and show you the results. All right, so they've been sitting in here for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna take one out and crack it open. You guys can see what the final result is. Perfectly peeled. The shell is coming right off even with just one hand, which is amazing. It's the other thing that I used to really dislike about cooking eggs this way is that it would take forever to get the shell all off because it would come off in tiny little pieces. So isn't that amazing? I'm just gonna rinse off all these little specks of shell. And I'm gonna slice it open. All right, you guys, it's gonna be the final result. Let's see. All right, let's see what we got here. I would say that is the perfect hard-boiled egg. Like I said, I got these from the store, so depending on if I get them from the farm or the store, it's a little bit unpredictable as to how long I need to cook it for. I normally buy my eggs from the farm, which is like just, gosh, 10 minutes down the road from us, and 2 to 3 minutes in the Instapot, and they're still a little bit soft in the middle and sometimes ooze out a little bit, which is the perfect egg for me. I did these for 4 minutes. These are store-bought eggs, free range. So yeah, you can kind of play around with it somewhere between 2 to 5 minutes and see what you like best. So there you have it, folks, the perfect hard-boiled egg. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting a whole lot more recipes, cooking hacks, food hacks, and health and wellness tips. All right, you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.